Today is April the 7th, 2023, and it's been a while since I have flown over any of the golf course or the lower part of Emerald Mountain, so thought I would go out there today and have a look. This is flying over River Birch and a little bit of Mountain Laurel, and the last hole coming into the clubhouse at the Emerald Mountain Golf Course. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. Really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.